Ever walk into a room full of people and still feel completely alone? You're smiling, you're talking, you're doing everything right, but inside, it feels like you're behind a glass wall. If that sounds like you, you're not broken. Your brain is doing something very specific. Today, I'll show you the real psychological reason you feel disconnected, and the one thing you can do today to start fixing it. If you've ever felt detached, like you're physically present but emotionally somewhere else, you're not imagining it. Maybe conversations feel empty, you're replying, nodding, laughing, but none of it really reaches you. It is like you watching your own life from the outside, a passenger in your own body. Some people describe it as, I feel like I'm here, but not really with anyone. Others say, I feel invisible even when people are talking to me. This isn't a personality flaw. It's not laziness. It's a symptom of something deeper happening inside your mind. So, why does this happen? Psychology often points to something called a cognitive emotional mismatch. What this means is your brain might be processing emotions faster and deeper than the social environment around you can support. So while most people are interacting on a surface level, you're quietly experiencing 10 layers beneath that surface. This creates a weird kind of emotional lag. You're thinking something deeper should be happening here, but the conversation is still stuck on the weather, small talk, or daily routines. Next, there's hyper-awareness. People who feel disconnected often notice things that others completely ignore. Subtle tones, micro-expressions, tiny emotional shifts. This sensitivity can make social situations feel overwhelming. So your brain does something protective. It pulls you back. Just a little. It's enough to feel safe, but unfortunately, it also creates that emotional distance for many people. This pattern started because of past overwhelm, maybe inconsistent relationships, emotional chaos growing up, or always being the person who had to stay strong. Your brain learned connection equals risk, distance equals control. So you're not choosing disconnection. Your brain is simply responding to old emotional data. Here's the part nobody tells you. Feeling disconnected doesn't mean you're antisocial. It often means you're running a different emotional operating system, a more sensitive one, a deeper one that needs authenticity, not noise. People who feel disconnected often have more emotional depth than the people around them. Your brain isn't avoiding connection, it's avoiding shallow connection. And once you understand that, everything starts to change. So how do you reconnect without overwhelming yourself? Try what I call the micro-connection method. It's simple, but it's incredibly effective. Step 1. Choose one person today. Not a crowd, not a group, just one single human. Step 2. Share one deeper observation or emotion. Something tiny like, honestly, today was heavier than I expected. Or I really appreciated that you checked in on me earlier. Nothing dramatic, just one layer deeper than your usual small talk. Step 3. Observe their response. Most people will soften. Some might even mirror you. A few won't get it, and that's okay. What matters is this: you're teaching your brain that small, safe connection is possible. You're lowering the emotional armor, one brick at a time. Connection doesn't come back all at once. It returns in these micro moments. The moment you understand your mind, you stop blaming yourself. You stop thinking, something's wrong with me, and you start realizing, no, my brain learned to protect me, and now I get to teach it something new. If you want more videos like this, more breakdowns, psychology tools, and mindset shifts, hit that subscribe button and let's rebuild your inner world together.